The all-new Mazda CX-60 has been awarded the maximum 5-star rating by Euro NCAP in its latest series of tests, with 91% and 88% scores in its child and adult occupancy categories, respectively. An impressive 89% score in the area of vulnerable road users protection was also achieved. The Mazda CX-60 achieved maximum points for crash test performance based on 6- and 10-year-old children for both frontal and lateral impact. In the area of child occupancy, the correct installation of child seats (CRS Installation Check) also received full marks, leading to an excellent combined score of 91%. With full marks in the lateral impact tests and a good level of protection recognized in the full-width rigid barrier test. Also, the 88% score for adult occupancy is also significant. In both the side barrier and more severe side pole impact, protection of all critical body areas was good, leading to a maximum score in this part of the assessment. The all-new Mazda CX-60 scored an outstanding 89% in vulnerable road users. The adequate performance of the autonomous emergency braking made the result one of the highest for all vehicles tested since the latest Euro NCAP ratings.